For exercise 15-5, this is a file done in inches, so the template that I want to use is the ACAD ISO, or the ACAD 3D.dwt. Once this comes up, I know that I want to do this in the top view, so I'm going to start by just doing the line command. And my first segment is 1.75. I'm going to zoom way in to see this now. My second segment is 2.25, and then my third segment, screen's getting a little jumpy on me, my third segment is 0.38. And now I'm just going to draw this straight back, and I'll finish laying out this from the other side. So this is going to be 0.63, and this is going to come until it intersects with this piece right here. I can then trim this out. Now, the next thing I want to do is kind of just a little bit of a setup for my next operation. I'm going to do a rectangle from this corner point to this corner point, and then I'm going to move my rectangle out of the way. And you'll see where that comes into play here in a few minutes. Now, I'm going to press pull this up my total height of 2. And then I'm going to press pull this up my height of 0.25. Now that I've got both of these pieces in, I can go to the move command and move this from this corner point to this corner point, and then move it down, straight down. Now if you look at my cursor, it says polar Z. Because I'm going straight down, it's allowing me to move it in the Z-axis. If I deviate from this at all, it's going to move it out of the way. But as long as I'm moving straight along that axis, I can just type in 0.88 and it will move it down. So now I can grab my original geometry from the bottom and the rectangle, and I can delete that and then use the union command to union everything together. Next I need to do a rectangle. So we'll go up here to rectangle, and I want it to be on this face, and I want it to come down this way, 0.25. And now I need to figure out what my X and what my Y are going to be with respect to my cursor. So I can see that my positive X is heading downward. When I look at my cursor and I look at the red axis, the short piece of the red axis is up top, indicating negative is going up, and the long piece of the red axis is moving down, indicating positive X direction. For the Y axis, my positive Y direction is to the right in this case. So my X is going to be a 1.5, comma. Now my Y is going to be 0.38. So there I've got this. Now what I'm going to do is just press pull that all the way back through my piece, and it's going to delete it from the object, so I can go ahead and delete that rectangle. And now here you can see the completed exercise 15-5.